Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will fix the WordPress error. There has been a critical error on this website. Learn more about troubleshooting WordPress. I had this error on a client website. I didn't know what to do at the beginning because when I click on this error, so I land in a WordPress website and they are saying that I need to go to the database and deactivate the plugins. I did it, but it didn't work. So I don't have it now because I fixed the problem, but I kept a screenshot as you can see on the screen because I wanted to explain it to other people. So the easiest solution or the final solution for me was to get an FTP server access and deactivate all the plugins in the server. So I'm going to show you. I have here file seller. I logged into my server using the FTP program. And now, as you can see, I went into the web content here, my WordPress, and then web content, and then plugins. And I went over them all and I deactivated them. And to do it, you need just to rename the file and to add like a dot at the end with anything like off. And now it's deactivated and you need to do it in all other plugins. Then check the website to see if it's working and then come back here and activate them all. In my case, the WordPress installation and the plugins were outdated, so I updated them all and then I activated the plugins and they worked all fine. So to activate them, you need also to come back here and to rename and to remove the suffix that we added, the dot off, and it's gonna work fine. So that was my solution. I know that I haven't shown anything from my dashboard, but if you're facing the problem, this is the solution.